Do you want to build a snowman?
That one probably will work.
You all are in the same spot.
Hey, what's up, everyone? I'm Nate.
I'm
Okay,
Jayce.
Hold on, and then you're gonna say it. I'm Miley.
Okay.
And I'm Miley. Hey, what's up, guys? Today we're gonna build. Wait, do I say that part?
I'm Nate.
Did I say that part? No.
I'm Gator Nate.
That we're restarting our names.
Me too.
I know.
Okay.
Hey, what's up, guys? We're gonna be building a snowman today. I'm Nate.
I'm Miley. I'm Jayce. I'm Fierce. That's you.
Hey, what's up, everyone? Today we're gonna be building a snowman. I'm Nate.
I'm Miley.
I'm Jayce.
I'm
River.
You stupid.
You said your name in front of Rivers.
Hey,
No,
You're last. You're the
oh my
youngest.
God. Last in line, jelly bean. It's okay.
All right, ready? Yeah, we do.
Edit my part.
No. All right, hey, what's up, everyone? Today we're gonna be building a snowman, and if you don't remember, my name's Nate.
I'm
Wait,
Miley.
hold on, I gotta do that over.
Okay, all right. You're last.
Hey, what's up, everyone? I'm Nate, and today we're gonna be building a snowman, and we have joining us.
Miley.
Jayce, River.
And Fierce.
Boy, I hope they heard you.
Fierce.
Think that one will work?
edition. Oh,
Hey, you
Yeah.
think that one will work?
yes, I do.
Fierce.
Hello. Well, it is January in Oklahoma, and we are gonna build us a snowman. We've built us a snowman pretty much every year for like the last 10 years, at least one, sometimes two, but it's a yearly thing. We've had 1 or 2 years where we didn't get quite enough snow to make a snowman, but we make some giant snowman. We even been in the newspaper for making a giant snowman named Mondo.
No, I thought that one was Peter.
All right, we got to come up with a plan. So I'll make the base. Jayce will make the second layer. I guess you can make the third layer, and you can make the maybe head. You make a fourth one, and if we can stack them up, we'll have a 4-layer, and you can have the head. Okay, we made a plan. I'm gonna make the very base, and you're gonna make the second base, and then River's gonna make
4 layers?
You've never made a snowman. The first thing you gotta do is you just take a big wad of snow, which doesn't have to be from the trampoline, but there's some nice clean snow here. Well, that's gonna be way too big of a snowball, but I'm trying to make a snowball. Usually you just wanna do something like this.
This is the snow ice cream snow.
You wanna make a snowball about this size,
This is the process.
pack it down nice and hard, and then you just set it in the snow, and if your snow is wet, it'll just start rolling up. Big league.
Can you get me a snowball from the
Here, you can use that one.
Oh, thanks. What a friendly.
Mine's already going.
My boots are leaving muddy prints. No.
Mom, in that red. Look how big mine is already.
Yeah, we're supposed to go around the house, remember?
Yeah.
So are we having like a 4-baller again or what?
We think if it works.
4-baller.
Now the snow is the perfect moisture today. It just rolls right up. You don't even have to hardly try. Sometimes when the snow's a little more dry, it's hard to get it going. But the only bad thing about when the snow is this wet and melty is you're running out of snow usually, and you get all this grass and crap on it. So we'll try to save a little bit of white snow for the end to put over the outside of our snowman.
Guys, look how big my snowman is.
Looks kind of small to me.
Probably huge. Built like cranes.
Oh, my hands are getting
Mine's
cold.
already getting too big.
Rumblefoot tracks.
Huh?
I don't know if Fierce has got to make it to the front.
I don't know if any of us are. I can barely shut mine anymore.
We might have to make our snowman right here.
No.
Live.
Not our snowman.
I seen a couple of snowmans when I was out driving around today.
Were any of them as cool as ours is going to be? I was going to say, so do they just need to follow your path so they don't get any more snow?
I don't know.
But then they get all grassy.
Yeah.
Looks like a big old hay bale. Yours is going to go falling down into the road.
Epic fail.
And this is how you make a snow angel? Like this.
Oh my gosh.
You gonna flip around this way? Then you want to get up. Not good snow. Good snow, Angel.
You get that on video, Mom?
I did.
What are y'all doing?
Oh, I was watching you.
They decided since you could no longer push your snowball that they definitely should not push theirs any further.
Well,
Did y'all hear that?
I guess let's all work on mine. Let's get it to the resting place.
Okay, yeah.
Go.
Keep going. Come on, Jayce. Oh, God, this thing is
How much do you think it weighs?
400.
That'd be at least 600 or 700 pounds already, maybe 1,000.
Holy crap.
It's pretty heavy. Oh my God.
Come on, team.
They're going up. Yeah. Oh,
Keep it going.
almost.
Oh, fierce.
Let's keep it rolling.
Pushing me out the way.
Keep going.
No. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Keep going.
Keep it. Oh, yeah.
Oh, God.
No. Oh.
Oh, you lost it.
One more roll.
Okay, now roll it one more time in. Bingo, Jack.
Needs to go. Right. There you go. Yeah, elbow dropped it.
Oh, that's like ice.
Why don't you put it all the way
Right here.
Okay, well, Fierce, we're gonna go get the other snowball. You just start putting white stuff all over this. I mean,
But first get all the leaves and stuff off you can.
yeah, and then put snow
Your
on.
hands will probably get really cold.
Trying to spin it. Wow.
There we go.
That was impressive. We're going to leave Fierce here to cover it up. Cover the ugly parts that we had to roll in the grass up with pretty white snow. So that's his job for now. Yikes, whose is that, Rivers?
Yeah,
It's going to have to be the second one, isn't it?
yeah, that's what we're thinking. We're gonna try to carry it.
Maybe we get
But we can try to pick it up first.
I don't think that's going to work, but
okay.
it looks really heavy. Hey, I know an idea. Well, I was going to say you could get the wheelbarrow.
Oh, we could get it in a wheelbarrow.
Like tip the wheelbarrow over and just roll it into the wheelbarrow?
What are you saying?
Wheelbarrow?
It's a hard word to say. Wheelbarrow.
Wheelbarrow.
Said it pretty clearly. Everybody else understood me.
I knew what you meant. He was
Only because they knew what you were talking about. I had no idea you were.
wheelbarrow.
My hands are so cold.
Anyways, go give me the wheelbarrow, River.
We're doing it in the wheelbarrow?
Because we'll try.
Okay.
Ready?
Drop it. Oh. Okay. That, oh. Oh, gosh.
Thank you.
Did you not get right beside where you're standing?
Nice.
It started sliding.
Just slide it.
This one's so much easier.
How's the beautification process going?
Okay.
Oh, yeah. Looking good.
Night out.
Go on.
There's something in my boot.
There's a snake in my boot.
I think we'd want this side right here. Go for it.
Oh, yeah. My side's failing. Pick it up.
Everybody, we're just gonna try to pick it up here. There you go.
You're just
Let's
pushing
move
it.
another snowman.
It's almost as big as...
Long range.
Ready?
Yeah. Go.
I wonder how much weight taller these have for making a team.
Oh, God.
About to go off the
No,
side.
no, no. I'll go with that. Slide it, slide it.
Put your weight on that board too, boy.
Oh my god.
Oh, Jayce,
I can't hold it.
You can.
Oh.
We're so close.
Come on, River. Get behind us.
Oh, no! Let me go to Jayce's side real quick.
Hold on.
Because I can't get a good angle for that. Ready? 1, 2.
Oh, there is a mess.
Okay, wait. Now let me go.
I can't hold it.
Right
It's gonna
here.
be pushed
Ready?
Two.
this way, Dad.
Oh, no. Hold it fierce. Hold it.
Jayce.
I'm
oh,
keeping it from flipping over.
I have the snowball.
Yeah, push it back towards Jayce.
Ow.
All right, help Jayce.
I'm helping.
Elise,
What the hell is everybody else doing right now?
we need your help.
Ready? Push. Okay, we almost there. It's almost there. One more.
Can't see if we're in the spot.
Yeah, you're gonna hit the spot.
Everybody stay away from me.
Okay.
Here.
I'm gonna
On
start
your
packing
hand.
some. Okay.
Here, put-
No, like we want to rock it that way. Almost, yeah. Now do it the other direction. Broken.
Oh, y'all are walking.
We don't want it to roll that way because it's on the flat side.
Yeah, that looks good right there.
Look in person of how
Keep
white the
scrapping
other
it.
one is. To...
Maybe we should start shoving snow into there.
Yeah.
Not very good to do it. Go cover snowman. Let's go this way. Right.
Ah! The gods hate me. Did y'all see that?
Everybody get under it more.
Oh, Jayce, come. There we go. Now that's where you are.
Okay, this side needs to be the flat side. Where's Jayce? Right here.
Look how disformed the head is. This is
Oh, it's really on there.
Alright.
All right, pack him in. Something's wrong with his head.
Tall as a tree.
Hey, Dad, should I go get some snow from somewhere else? Should I go get some more snow so we can go down the further?
Get under it, Jayce. What are you doing? Hands over it. How are you gonna get it up high?
Come on,
Keep going.
Hold on.
Come on, push. Go and for this.
I can't go up anymore.
Which side's supposed to be the flat side? Oh. You sure that's the side it's supposed
Yeah.
to be? How's that?
Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is give your snowman some arms. Here we just found a
Wait,
random limb.
Say the first thing you want to do while decorating. After your snowman's built and you're ready to decorate,
Jayce.
I knew we couldn't let him do it.
It might be perfect now. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do after you've built your snowman and you're ready to decorate is give him some arms. Here we have a nice little stick I'm just going to put in here and let him wave hi to everybody that drives by.
Oh, that's angle. There you go. So like Jay said, after you've completed the structure of your snowman and you're ready to decorate, you gotta put his arms on. We're gonna use some twigs today, some sticks. Bam. And then just add a little snow to help hold it in. Very nice. Now our snowman's a little tall, so we had to get out the ladder to put on his head and for a little bit of this.
Usually after you get your arms and stuff done, you want to put your eyes in.
What are you using?
We're using charcoal.
Charcoal.
As his eyes. And kind of looks cross-eyed right.
After the eyes, you want to do the nose. We usually use a carrot, but we ran out of carrots too fast, so we're gonna use this orange cork. That look good?
Next we're gonna do the mouth. And you can be, the funnest thing about doing a snowman is you can be creative, and a lot of times we try to use like different things. So this time we decided we're gonna use some leftover Christmas candy and use some Reese's to do his mouth. Whoops.
Reese's.
And toothpicks.
And toothpicks.
Brown cookie.
We're gonna put the coal as the buttons too, and just like stick it here, like that.
Yeah, that's a good Pierce. Hey, look at Rumble. Rumble, you're a good mascot for the snowman building. You're a good helper. You'd be a pretty snow leopard or a Canadian lynx. Somehow they volunteered me to do the scarf, which is like...
Nice.
Does that look okay?
Yeah.
Okay. And...
All right, guys. I got him a little cowboy hat here. You know, keep it country up here.
the grand finale.
Grand finale.
Because once you put the hat on top of his head, he comes to life.
This is where the magic comes from.
I thought that was in the pipe. There's that.
Aw,
Make it a little
he's
forward
cute.
more.
Howdy.
Hey. Okay, he's got his magic hat on now. He looks like he's pretty much done. What are we gonna name this big guy?
Let's name him Rip, like the guy from Yellowstone.
What do y'all think?
I think
sounds good.
Rip's a good name.
Rip's okay.
Rip? All right, let's back up and take a look at our creation. Move the ladder, Jason. Wow, that's Rip. All right, we've made a lot of big snowmen in our days. We're not for sure if this is the tallest, so we're gonna give him a little measurement for Mr. Rip 2023. This is our 2023 snowman. All right, River, take that down, please.
All the way to the bottom there.
Put him closer to the snowman a little bit.
We'll do a snow engine.
Can you see that, babe?
I already made a snow engine.
8 foot. This guy is 8 foot tall. 8 footer, guys.
Oh, yeah.
We did it. Wow.
Can I just say I did not flinch like Fierce?
You did good. That one probably will work. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click the notification bell and don't forget to subscribe. And we will see you guys next time.
I was the only one that hit.